Today, I want to talk about something you've probably experienced, or maybe you're going through it right now. It's about relationships, about giving everything to someone, but still being treated like an option, like a backup plan. Have you ever felt that? Or maybe you're feeling it right now? Relax, bro. Let's break this down together. Be honest with yourself. Have you ever given your time, your effort, your attention, even your loyalty, because you thought, if I prove my value, she'll see it? But what actually happened? She took you for granted, assumed you'd always be there, believed you'd never leave the SID. And the worst part, you accepted it. You accepted it. You accepted the bare minimum. You told yourself, maybe if I stay a little longer, things will change. But deep down, you already knew the truth. She never saw you as a priority. You were just an option. But today, everything changes. Today, you stop seeking validation, you stop chasing, you take your power back. This isn't about revenge. This is about becoming a man who isn't dependent, can't be controlled, and has full control over himself. She thought you'd always be there. But the moment you truly walk away, that's when everything shifts. One, the illusion of choice. She thought she had all the time in the world. She believed you'd always wait, you'd always be there, you'd accept whatever she gave. Why? Because you made yourself too available. And here's the harsh truth. People don't value what's always available. When you're always there, you become easy, predictable, and eventually replaceable. But when you disappear, suddenly you become scarce. And what's scarce becomes valuable. 2, emotional detachment. This is real power. The moment you stop caring, everything changes. When you stop reacting, stop chasing, stop seeking approval, you take control, because in any dynamic, the one who needs less holds the power. Before, she had control because you were emotionally invested. Now, you're free. And that uncertainty makes her curious, confused, and eventually regretful. 3, the power of silence. She expects you to react. She expects you to get emotional, chase her, ask for explanations, but you do something different. You stay silent. And silence is the loudest message you can send. When you stop texting, explaining, chasing, she starts to feel your absence. She begins to wonder, why isn't he coming back? Did I make a mistake? And for the first time, she feels out of control. 4, rebuild yourself. Now you have 2 choices. Stay stuck in the past or become a new version of yourself. Weak men wait, hope, overthink. Strong men focus on themselves, grow, level up. Build your body, your mindset, your finances, your purpose, not for her, but for you. And ironically, when you change, she starts to notice. 5, the art of indifference. This isn't fake detachment. This is real indifference. Not pretending, not secretly hoping she comes back, but truly understanding nothing outside of you controls your emotions. When you stop caring, you become free. And when you're free, you're in control. Closing. At the end of the day, bro, this isn't about her. This is about you, about you. Rising up, stopping the chase, becoming your best version. You don't need validation because now you are the prize. If this hit you, comment below. I'm in control. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Thank you, bro. Hope this helps.